Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm TearaShanice. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please don't hesitate and hit that subscribe button. Today's wig I received from LUVME Hair. This is a HD lace wig, a 5x5 kinky curly wig. It's either in the length 14 or 16 inch. I'm not very sure, but I will leave everything listed down below. Now, when I received this wig does come pre-plucked. It also comes already bleached, and it also basically comes already styled. It was designated in the middle part, so you can wear it in the middle, and as well as this video, I will be wearing it in the middle part. The curls are very defined, and this wig is very thick. It is 180% density, and it is very, very full. The ends are blunt, and it is thick from root to ends. So just going off by first impressions, this wig looks good. No doubt, of course, fresh out of the pack, it looks amazing. The curls look really good. It has a very nice shine to it, and it has all the bells and whistles as well as the adjustable straps to tighten it. So today I will be using it as a glueless method. Also, I didn't receive any shedding with this hair. I believe I only had just a couple of strands, so your fingers will go right through it. With this wig already being bleached, I did go back and bleach it some more because I could still see a little bit of the knots. Although you can just put over a lace tint or makeup over it, but I went ahead and washed it anyways. I had bleached the knots and washed it, and this is the natural texture of the hair. I did leave it to air dry, so this is what it will come out to look like. The hair is still full. It still has a lot of luster. It did remove some of the shininess off of it, which is okay. I'd rather for it to look natural than, you know, getting it from the hair store. So it looks amazing against my skin because it looks just like scalp. So I am just going to go ahead and install this wig. I did just go ahead and just put it over my head. I did put a ball cap down. And with installing this wig, it's not really too much you have to do. So with me just installing it, all I did was hot comb the top to just flatten it out. I did not put any kind of makeup on it. Again, this is HD lace. Normally with HD lace, it will blend right into your skin. I did only just put like the Fantasia spritz on top to hot comb it, and that's basically it. But do y'all see this bounce? Like, this hair flows so good and it's so thick. It's so thick. And maybe I shouldn't have bleached it some more because it was looking too much like scalp. So I did go with my magic gray pen or whatever. I got this pen from Amazon. It's like a gray cover-up pen. So I'm just going to go over and define my part because I do like my part to look kind of crisp. So I do go over and just dab the sides a little bit. I cut a slit in the middle, and I take my eyebrow razor and cut off the lace. And again, it's 5x5, so it does go from temple to temple. You have so much space with this room. You have so much space with this wig. I did just leave it in the same exact middle part as well. I did not go back and pluck this wig anymore. I did just leave it how it is. So the wig just melts into your skin. As soon as you cut off that lace, it completely melts. I don't know if y'all can see the difference, but it completely melts. This is 100% glueless. I did not glue this wig down. I did tighten the straps in the back, and that's about it. You do want to tighten the strap so it can be snug, but with this wig, it looks perfect. I do also have an HD cap on as well, so I didn't put any makeup at all. This is naturally what the wig looks like. So if you don't bleach the knots, just wear it straight out the box. You can. You don't necessarily have to bleach it anymore because it comes ready. This is like actually a ready to go wig.
Got another shot on me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out here choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Keep it on low key, I'm the lowest of the lowest.
So getting into defining these curls on this wig, I will just use water as well as my Cantu coconut curling cream. And I just basically drench the wig. You can damp it, but I like to drench it because I really want to actually define the curls. So I drenched it on both sides, put my curling cream on, and rub it all in, and take my brush and just brush it through. This really defined the curl. You can tell how luscious and healthy this hair looks. From all the way to the ends, you don't have no stringy pieces. This hair just looks really good. And even when it's wet, it still looks thick. So that's like a big thing for me. Curly hair, when it's wet, it looks so stringy. But because this wig is 180% density, it looks so thick even when it's looking like the wet look.
Poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out here choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I'm just screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the low. But if you can keep it, let nobody know. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the low. But if you can keep it, let nobody know.
So that was really like the end of the video, but I was like, you know what? Let me see if this wig can actually do some other styles. So I did try to in the side part. I wanted to see how it'll look in a side part. This is what the wig looks like in the side part. And this is just me doing it really quick, of course. And also, y'all, I did not do any baby hairs. So I don't know, I've been feeling no baby hairs lately. Like I feel like it looks so natural without baby hairs. And I absolutely love the swoop. The swoop was like my favorite style of them all. So the swoop was really cute. I did do the side part, and I also had it in the middle part as well. So you can do a lot of styles with this wig. It has a deep parting space. Again, it's 5x5. And you can also do a flip over method if you wanted to, but I did go ahead and put it back in the middle part because that's what I wanted. Again, there's no baby hairs with this. This wig looks so natural. I literally just put it on, no adhesive, no hair, no spray or anything. Define my curl, just push the hairline back a little bit like it's grown out of my scalp. No, I'm sorry, like it is growing out of my scalp. And that's pretty much it with this wig. Again, this is LUVME hair. It is a 5x5 kinky curly wig. And when this wig dries, y'all, you get so much volume. The luster is amazing and so natural. It just looks all around so good. But don't forget to check this wig out. I will leave everything down below. And thank y'all again for watching.